First step, pick up your phone or your computer. Second step, turn up the internet connection or the Wi-Fi connection. Third step, go to this platform, click on join and download the app, and boom, you start making money. And the best part is that it works in every country, whatever country you're located, it works perfectly for you, and it works for both male and for female. Alright guys, if you like this kind of content, kindly smash that like button and turn on that bell notification icon. And then if you're new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon, so anytime I upload a money making video like this online, you can be the first person to get notified by YouTube that I just drop an awesome video, and you'll be the first person to start getting results, right? So in this video I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can start downloading apps and start getting paid every single time, guys. So guys, let's hop onto the video, right? So here we go. Now the first website I'm about to show you guys is called appkarma.com. appkarma.io, forgive me guys, appkarma.io. Now on this website, what you have to do on this website is to play game, right? You see here, end reward playing with apps, it's free. So guys, every website I'm going to be showing you here, right, that you can download apps from, they are all free, right? Now here it said complete offer to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or brand gift cards, available for both iOS and Android users. So guys, here on this particular app, it's available for both Android users and for iOS users. So whatever kind of phone version phone you are using, it works perfectly for you guys. Now if you look at here, they said install here and get 300 points. So guys, if you install this app, right, you get 300 points, right? And in this particular app, each time you use the app, you start getting points, and this point you can actually convert them to cash, right? Now if you scroll down to this place, they also have a referral program, right? Share your link or referral code and earn 30% of what your referral earns. So guys, not only you using the app and getting paid, if you share your referral link from this particular app, right, and your referral starts using the app, you also get 30% of whatever they have done so far, right? Now this is how the app looks like, guys. This is how it looks like. You can get paid through PayPal. Now on this particular website, on this particular app, so guys, you can get paid through PayPal, but I'll be showing you guys some other apps also that you can start getting paid through different payment method, right? So guys, stick to this video to the end so that you'll be sure to start getting results immediately, guys. Now concerning this particular appkarma, if you go to Play Store, right, you can see the app here, appkarma rewards and gift cards. Now if you look at the review it has gotten so far, they've gotten over 330,000 reviews, right? Meaning that people like you and I are using this app every single day, and they are giving lots and lots of reviews. Now this is how the app interface looks like, right? Can you see it? So if you flip down here, you can be able to see how it looks like, very clean and working perfectly. And guys, with the review that have been gotten from this website, from this app, you can be able to see that the app has it has 4.1 review status, and on the highest, which is the 5, as you can see here, it has the highest volume. So guys, this app has the potential to start fetching money for you. Now people cannot just start raising this app, right, number 5, right, if it are not giving them value. So guys, what you have to do is to go to Play Store and download this app right on your phone and start making money from the app, guys. So guys, let's hop on to the next website. I'll be showing you how you can start making money from this app. So guys, I'll be showing you on a bonus video on how you can start making money fast, right, downloading apps. So watch to the end of this video and I'll be showing you that step by step. So guys, let's hop on to the next app. Now the next app that we're going to this website called Timebox. Now Timebox here said get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slides, play game, install app. So guys, what our mind is on this play game and install app. Right now, if you scroll down, said daily bonuses, right? Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. So guys, if you're a member of this particular website, right, now once you start downloading apps on the website, now you start getting paid, right? You might not 100% be among the competition, but at least you can fall among, right? So guys, so you have the chance to fall among any of the top 100 earners, and you start getting massive payment, right? Now if you look at here, they said no approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up for in 5 seconds and start earning instantly, right? So they also have a referral program, guys, just like I told you on the other website. We have a referral program, so you can earn commission on everyone you refer and any advertisement depositors they make, right? So guys, what we'll be doing here is just to refer people onto the program, right? And then we start getting paid every single day. Now what you have to do is to click on sign up, right? Once you click on sign up here, it takes you to this page. Now once you take you to this page, you have the ability to be able to sign up, right? As you can see here, what you have to do here is to put in your username, right? You put in your username, you put in your email address, sorry, you put in your password, you repeat your password, and then you click on this button here that I'm not a robot, right? And once you are done, then you click on sign up, guys. So guys, once you click on sign up, guys, then you can start downloading apps, right, and start getting paid every single day. So guys, like I told you before, if you like this kind of content, kindly smash that like button and turn on the bell notification icon, right, so that YouTube can notify you that I just drop a new video, right? And also drop a comment in the comment section if you feel that this video is giving you value, guys. So let's jump on to the next video, guys. So the next website I'm about to show you guys is called Ysense, right? Ysense is the next website that I'll show you how you can start earning every single day, guys. So guys, here we are on Ysense. So now on this Ysense, what we are going to be doing here is to refer, right? You can as well start getting paid for completing surveys, but we are not into that right now. What we want to do here, guys, is to refer. Now it says share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referral make. So guys, on this Ysense, what you have to do once you have registered, if you also want to do this, guys, you can as well go ahead and do it. As you can see, there are lots of companies here that are partnered with Ysense, right? Which top-notch companies, guys. So Ysense is legit, and Ysense is 100% safe. So what you have to do is to click on join now, right? Once you click on join now, to bring out this page for you, what you have to do is to put your email address and put in your password, right? And then guys, you sign up, right? Once you sign up, then you can join into Ysense, right? Or perhaps you click on sign in here if you have an account, and then you start making money from this particular website, guys. Now let me show you the potential of how much you can start making and how you can start withdrawing your money, guys. So what you have to do is on this page right here, guys. What you have to do, guys, is to check on any of these payment method that suits you. As you can see, we have Amazon, we have Payoneer, we have PayPal, right? We also have Skrill, so we also have Reward Link, right? So guys, whatever payment method that is comfortable for you guys, you can as well start getting paid, right? If you can see PayPal here, you can start getting paid from $10, right? If you also see Skrill here, you can start getting paid from $5, right? So guys, you can hop onto this website Ysense.com, right? And then you click on join now, right? Now the next website we're going to be heading to is called getpaid2.com. Now getpaid2.com is another app or website where we can start getting paid just for downloading apps, right? So guys, if you look at here, if you look at the previous payment method I showed you guys, there was no bank transfer, right? But you can see here that there is bank transfer, so you can withdraw this directly to your bank account, guys, right? You can withdraw this directly to your bank account. You can withdraw it. You can withdraw your earnings through Skrill. You can withdraw your earnings also through cryptocurrency payment methods. You can withdraw your earnings through Amazon gift card, through PayPal, right? So guys, this is how this website looks like. And now on this website, you can earn money for every time you go online. So guys, every single time you go online, you can start earning money for yourself every single day, guys. So guys, on this particular website, you get paid through points. Now this, just like the first website, and these points can be converted into cash for you, right? As you can see here, we can play games, right? And then we start making money every single day, guys. So once you want to start playing game, right, you just click on this icon here, play game, right? And then you can now sign up on this website and you start making money every single day. Now let me show you guys some proofs of those who are making money, right? As you can see here, these are lots of rewards who have been given out to people, right? And these rewards can be converted into cash, right? And you withdraw them into your bank account, right? You withdraw them into your bank account, or you can withdraw them into your bank account, or you can withdraw them into Skrill, right? Into your cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that, Amazon, through PayPal, right? So guys, it's very easy and very simple. So for those of you who have spent more time on watching this video, I just want to give you a bonus tip, right? A bonus website, a bonus app where you can download app and start making money every single day, guys. So the next website we'll be going to, like, as a bonus, is called giftplay.io. Now giftplay.io is another app where you can start making money every single day. Now here it is being stated, say people playing games, cash reward, and gift cards. So guys, you can you play, right, or you play free mobile games, make money, and reward cash, right? Now on this website you can get paid through gift card, guys, through gift cards. So if you look at here, redeem your coins of amazing rewards, invite your friends also, and then collect all badges. So guys, you can get paid, right? You will accrue coins as you play and meet the duration requirements. Redeem your coin for PayPal, cash, or for a variety of top brands. So guys, you can as well get paid through gift cards and also through PayPal, right? Very easy and very simple. And this is how the app looks like, guys. This is how the app looks like. Now let's go to Play Store, guys, and let's see how the app looks like, and let's see if it has some reviews for people who have gotten the app before. Now as you can see here, this is the app on Play Store, right? As you can see here, it has 2,400 reviews, right? So guys, this is how it looks like, right? As you can see here, it has 4.0 star, right? Meaning that people are using this app with this kind of review, this kind of total comments and review here. So guys, you can see that this app is super hot. These apps are wonderful. These apps can start generating you money every single day. And what I recommend you guys is not just to click, it's not just to start with only one, guys. Don't just start with only one. Go register on each and every one of them, and guys, you start making money on a double, right? You start making money every single day using these particular apps, guys. And that is simple and that is fast, guys. So guys, if you like this kind of content, kindly smash that like button and turn on that bell notification icon if you are new to this channel. And also, if you like this kind of content, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to each and every one of you guys. So guys, see you in my next video. Take action immediately, and then you start seeing massive result, guys.